Think your partner's lying about their snoring? Nope, it's just brain shenanigans. Here's the wild truth. When you're deep asleep, your brain's memory center basically hits the pause button. So even if a thunderous snore jolts them awake for a split second, the brain doesn't hit save. It's like trying to find a file that just never existed. So when morning comes, to the snorer, the night was peaceful as a Zen garden, while you spent it counting ceiling cracks. Next time someone denies snoring, tag them here. Let them know it's just their brain gaslighting them. Seriously, blame science, not your snoring friend.